Hi, I'm Colin with Blue Marble Consulting, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate internal compliance using SAP's S/4HANA Simple Finance. Companies have to ensure that they are compliant internally as well as with Sarbanes-Oxley business processes. And in this case, the best run internal policies are that all vendor payments need to be made through the automatic payment run, and manual payments need to be made only in exceptional cases. So with this demonstration, we're going to review payments made by the company and see which ones are made automatically or manually. We'll then analyze the payments that were made manually, and then we will be able to understand the reason and share this information with relevant individuals through SAP JAM. This is the home page of SAP Fiori. It's also customized to this particular user. So as an authorized reseller of SAP S/4HANA Simple Finance, Blue Marble Consulting can set up a home page in Fiori for different users, all of which look completely different based on the particular user's role. So from this home screen, we're going to take a look at the automatic and the manual payments that were made for last year. And to do that, we can just click on this tile right here. This will bring up the payments made for last year, both automatic and manual. Now from here we'll take a look at payments made to this company, Best Run USA, and then we'll go to payments by vendor. From here we can see the total amounts of payments made to these different vendors and whether they were manual or automatic. Over to the right we have our legend, and we can see that in the blue we have the manual payments, in green the automatic. So we'll take a look at these manual payments, since best practice dictates that manual payments should only be made in exceptional cases. So we can drill down into this and we can go to Manage Vendor Line Items. And here we can see all of the different line items for this particular vendor. Now right now we're just looking at open items, so what we can do is quickly change this to all items, click search, and then this will bring up all the line items for this particular vendor. Now from here I can see that there's been a history of payments to this particular vendor and that they are located in Mexico. However, they're being paid in US dollars. And the reason for that in this situation is that during the automatic payment runs, the peso, the Mexican peso, is not included as a viable currency. So what I'll do from here is I can share this on SAP JAM and add that particular note saying, please add the peso to the automatic payment run. So sharing this on SAP JAM is as easy as clicking on this icon down here, going to share, and then we can share with a particular group. So depending on the users or different roles within the company, we can create several different groups. In this instance, we'll go click on the treasurer. And then I'll go ahead and add a note to this, which will be shared with all of the users tied to this particular group. I can click OK, and this is automatically added to our SAP JAM group. In this case, it was with the treasurer. So now from here, I can just go back home, back to my home screen. So that was a brief look at managing internal compliance within a company using Simple Finance. What we did was just review payments made by the company, and we can easily see whether they were automatic or manual payments. We can analyze the line items that were made from manual payments to try and dig into the reason for why they were made manually, and then we could share that information with relevant individuals through SAP JAM. For more information on SAP Simple Finance or to request a live demo, please call one of our numbers listed here. And for an extensive list of different Fiori applications, please visit our website at sap-bmc.com/Fiori.